Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I am sharing a card with you. And this card is so cute. I really love this stamp set, and I actually, if you are a newsletter subscriber, you will be getting a little tutorial, and I'm sharing this stamp set with you and a little tree box. So if you haven't subscribed to my newsletter, you can go to my blog and subscribe to it, because I do once a month I do an exclusive video for my newsletter subscribers. And this month I am featuring this Dress to Impress. And I'm also doing two versions of the same box, one for Valentine's and then the Dress to Impress one. So go ahead and sign up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. All right, so let's get started with this. When I saw this stamp set, I really knew that I was going to get it because I thought it'd be perfect for Mother's Day and for some of my friends because of the lipstick and the perfume and the high heel. I thought this was super cute. And it does come as a bundle. In the bundle, it has the all dressed up dies in it. Now, I already have some dies out that we're using for this. So these are all included in this. So it's a big set. And there is a little purse die in here, so it's a great die set. And then the bundle, of course, I love the whole bundle. It's super cute. I had to use 2 magnet sheets to hold all the dies that come with this one. And so for this one, we are using the perfume bottle. We are using this flower here. We're using the Hello Fabulous and the lipstick on this one. And I have these detailed bands dies, and I thought as soon as I saw this one, this would be so perfect for a mirror. So that's how we're creating the mirror. We are using this detailed, but if you have any oval dies or scalloped ovals, you can use a scalloped oval. Just use your imagination if you don't have these dies, but I love these dies. I use them on a lot of boxes I've made already. And then we are going to use our layered ovals, and we are going to use this oval for the mirror on some silver foil paper. So we're creating a mirror with these. Okay, so we're going to run these through first because I need the our precision plate here for this one, because this is a really detailed die. So we're going to run this through first, and like I said, you don't need these, so we're just going to run this through, and you just use your precision. And they don't recommend it with the magnetic plate, so if you use it, be very careful not to pinch your fingers. And then we're going to run this through, and I'm going to run it back again. All right, that should be good. This really works well with the precision plate. It will cut. There's so much detail in here. If you don't have it, you're going to have to run it through several times. And then we're going to use our little, take your pig tool, and this is a little attachment, and we're going to go over this so we get all those little itty bitty pieces out of it. And then let's see what we got here. You're definitely going to probably have to poke some other ones through but not too many. This one turned out pretty good. So let's get this out. There's a bunch of little holes. Just start. It comes out pretty good when you use that. All right, so there's the back of our frame. And then we are going to use our little oval for the mirror, which I already ran through. And we're going to put this out of the way, and then we're going to go ahead and stamp, and then we'll bring it up one more time for our pieces. All right, so let's get out our stamping mat and my Whisper White that I am using to stamp with. And this is thick Whisper White that I am using, and we're going to use Memento Black. And we are going to start stamping all these pieces. It comes out so good with this mat. And then we need our lipstick. Whoops. And then I'm going to just stamp the Hello Fabulous, and we will use the little frame to cut that out. And that is it. So we are going to go ahead and quickly color these. And I am just using my light purple posy. And I'm just going to color this randomly like this, just really light. And then we're going to use the dark and light smoky slate. And we're going to color this. Super, super quick and easy coloring. But I am going to show you how I'm going to color, because a lot of times I hear people say you need to show us how to color. They leave comments. And it's really, really super simple. I don't do a whole lot of shading. This one I'm doing a little bit. Just to give it a little bit of a detail, and then I'll go back over it just to blend out where I shaded it. So that's going to be it for that. We're going to do lovely lipstick. For the lipstick, we're going to use the light and color it in, and then we're going to shade it just like we did the gray. And I'm just shading it on one side, and then we're going to just blend it. And that's going to be it for that. Now I am using some Petal Pink for the flower. These are all colors in the Designer Series paper I'm using. So, and then I'm going to use, just to accent it a little, some of the light lovely lipstick, and I'm just kind of outlining it a little bit, and then I'm going to go over it with the Petal Pink. So when you're blending these together, you don't have to definitely try different combinations. You don't have to use the exact same color. You can get a little bit detail in here. And then I'm using the dark granny apple green just for the leaves. And then that's it. All right, now we need to bring the Big Shot up here again and run the rest of our things through. And we can run these all through at the same time. I do recommend using some sticky tape for it to hold them in place, because there are going to be quite a bit, and sometimes when they're small, they will move all over the place, and you don't want them to move, especially when you're running a bunch through at the same time. So I'm just using some little, this is the little frame that's going to go around that, and it is stitched. It's so cute. And then we're going to do the flower, and I'm going to need to tear some sticky note here because this one's small. Small ones always tend to move. And then we're going to do the lipstick. I think I'll just put a little one on the lipstick just to make sure it doesn't move on me. And then that one. All right, so now let's run these through. And we'll be ready to put it all together. So here's our flower. I'm going to stick these back on my magnetic because I've lost one already. And I had to look everywhere. I finally found it, but I don't want to lose these. I love this one. It's so cute. All right, so now let's put this all together. So here's our basic 5.5 by 4.25 card base. We're going to add our designer series paper to that. I'm going to just use some snail. And I wanted this striped because it looks like wallpaper, old-fashioned wallpaper, I thought. And I did want the white shown, some of the white showing, so that's why I didn't cut it quite as big. And this is the Best Dressed Designer Series paper, and this all coordinates with this bundle. And it's so cute. It has like little perfume bottles, little purses. Look at how cute this paper is. It's so cute. So that's what I'm using the back side of one of those. All right, now we're going to put our mirror together. And for the mirror, what I'm going to do is I am just cutting these little pieces off. So I'm just cutting it, kind of rounding it here. To meet the other one, so we're cutting those. I'm going to use some wet glue on the center here, and then we're going to use our oval. We're going to put that in the center. I'm going to add this to the front here. Isn't that a cute little mirror? I thought it was so cute. Don't get glue on your fingers. The last one, I got it on my silver foil and it messed up my foil, so be really careful with getting it on your fingers. And then we're ready to add our Hello Fabulous, and we're going to just add some here. I'm going to put that here. And then we are popping up the rest with some dimensionals. So we're going to pop up our little perfume bottle. We're going to put that one here. And then we're going to also pop up the flower. We're going to put that right by the side there. And then last but not least is our lipstick. And that's going to go on this side. Just like that. Isn't that adorable? I love this set. It's so cute. All right, everyone, here's my new January Hostess code. If you'd like to place an order, you can use the Hostess code and get into a drawing for Hostess Stellars at the end of the month. And I hope you all have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.